In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to open up your Toyota Yaris key fob to replace the internal battery at home. All you'll need is one of these CR 2016 batteries that makes it run. And if you don't know where to get one of those, or you'd just like to get one online, I will put a link down in the description so you can get one on Amazon for just a couple of bucks. And then you can just follow along with me here. So the first step is just to look up at the top where the key ring attaches. You can see there's that little indentation in the plastic. You're going to take a regular flathead screwdriver, insert it in, and just twist. Now you can lift off this back section of plastic and then pull out this little inner component here. Just pull that up with your fingers, and you can set this now down to the side. And you can see there's a little arrow. It says use coin to open, and it's pointing up to this area. We're just going to use the same flathead screwdriver, but a coin would also work, of course. And we're just going to insert it into this little space and twist. It'll crack this thing open a little bit, and then we can just open it up with our hands. And all we need to do now is come over to this little opening in the corner there. We're just going to put the corner of our flathead screwdriver in there and pry the battery up. Just gently pry the battery up, get under it, and with very little force it will come out. Just be patient, you don't want to damage anything here. So let me show you once more. We're just going in there and just pulling the battery up. This is a CR 2016 battery. Make sure that's what you're using, and make sure the positive side goes face up when you put your new battery in there. So just click it down into place, positive side up, and now we can just put everything back together. So this goes right on top. Click that in there. Now this can set right in place, and push it down and click the back of the device back on there. And that's really all it takes. I hope that was helpful for you, and if it was, feel free to let me know down in the comment section, or just by giving this video a like. And if you ever need help changing another battery in any of your key fobs, we have tutorials here on YouTube for pretty much every device from every maker model, so you can always check those out, or you can visit us directly over at our website, fobbattery.com.